No, I don't think you guys can hear it. But Dexter's snoring. My Ginger is getting so old. He's snoring. And I was a little late getting home than normal. And so he threw up on one rug and then he went and threw up on another rug. He poor little baby. He just gets anxiety, I guess. Anyways, he's okay, right? Sorry, did I wake you up? And he never lays here. He's just snoring away and he's so happy. When I came home, he talks so much. Didn't you? You told me about, you're probably saying, why, where were you? And we were waiting for our breakfast. And yeah, but he's okay now, right? I'm like that too, Dex. If I don't get my food and things are out of order,